Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And this is a video that's going to be for the weekly watch list for December 13th, 2020. Is the Santa Claus rally coming this year in 2021? So we will look into it, and I'll let you know if I believe if the rally is going to happen or not. So with that being said, make sure you guys check out the links down below, my free S&P Emini futures Discord chat room, and then also my Emini S&P weekly trade zones, which are only $50 for a lifetime subscription. So make sure you guys check it out. And until then, let's jump right into this video. So is Santa Claus, or is the Santa Claus rally coming to the market this year? I actually believe so. The market is set up to be very, very bullish. Another time we pulled back, bounced off this 50 period. We now have a possible inverse head and shoulders forming, right? This is very bullish. We also do not have excess to the upside. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to draw all of these fibs for you. Okay, so you guys, if you want to write them down, this is what we're looking at: the 127, 1618, and then the 200. I'm not saying we're going all the way up, but we do need excess. I said this a few weeks ago. I thought we were going to get a deeper pullback than we did. I was wrong on that. Massive rally this week. But with that being said, now you got to be very flexible when you're a trader. You literally got to go from being bearish to bullish on a dime. So with that being said, these are levels. I actually think we're going to go higher. The market just feels strong right now. I mean, think about, we just got CPI numbers Friday morning, and the market rallied. Inflation the highest since 1980s or something, and the market goes higher. Okay, we're in bizarro world right now, but guess what? That is the market we're in. Who cares what I think? Market doesn't care what you think. So these are what I think is going to happen this coming week. I think it's more upside. We are in a bullish phase right now, reverse or waterfall. We're just, today we broke above the previous day's high right here. If you look, right, so we have 1, 2, okay, maybe this goes on for a little bit. Let's take a look at the NQ. What's the NQ doing? Well, NQ is actually already had its success, if you think about it, right? And we're actually in a bearish trend on the NASDAQ. 1, 2, 3, nice clean waterfall. But I think if the market goes, this will drag the NQ up with it. But does the NQ lag the S&P futures over the next week or two? I think so. So with that being said, that's it for the NQ. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, potential inverse head and shoulders forming right here, right? So here's a shoulder, a head, another shoulder here, and then here's our neckline. So keep an eye on crude oil. I think if we get above this 73.50 level, we could see a shot all the way up to the 75 level, right to the 50 period on the daily. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, BTC. Okay, Bitcoin, downtrend, lower, 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 right? Now, interesting thing going on right now from this high to this low. Sorry, from this low to this high, we are right around that 61 to 70%. We are bullish still until we take out this 4,000. If we do take it out on the bigger trend, then the market is broken. But if you think about it, right, we're having a hard time getting on the other side of this. So maybe we see a little more pullback, kind of clean up this market profile a little bit, kind of make this a little smoother, kind of something like this. That's what price does. When you understand market profile, that's usually price will go back and clean this up. So really no call on Bitcoin. We are holding the 200. Maybe we bounce back up to the 50, but the 50 is curling over, which is not a good sign. Let's take a look at gold. Last week we were neutral. This week I'm neutral again. Let's take a look at silver. Silver made new lows. I said I didn't like silver. Also kind of neutral, made new lows. So not a big fan of silver right now. AAPL, Apple, this thing is a beast. This shows you when money wants to flow somewhere, it'll flow. It doesn't matter what the chart patterns are. I did a video a couple weeks ago about when chart patterns fail, what to do. Sometimes you also got to learn, hey, let me just kind of step back. But we are getting way oversold into this. With that being said, I know there were a ton of 200 calls bought a couple days ago. You could see money flying into Apple while it's leaving everybody else. So just something to be aware of. And then slash Amazon, AMZN. Okay, or sorry, no slash AMZN. Amazon just sideways, it tried to break out again. Now you got a double top up here. And then the failure kind of is Apple and is kind of leading. Amazon is kind of stuck in the mud. GOOGL, okay, stuck in the mud. So so FANG, the only thing working with FANG right now is the letter A, which would be Apple. And then finally, let's go and take a look at a cryptocurrency. I know I pretty much hardly ever talk about cryptocurrencies. Oh, actually, AUPH I want to talk about real quick. AUPH, I said I liked it this week. We opened kind of around that 1850, one lower, reversed, and then kind of ran all the way up to the 22 level and then came down. We closed at the 20. But again, this is a longer term hold, buyout speculation hold. So just wanted to bring that to your attention. But with that being said, cryptocurrency. There's a coin that I've been buying, and I'm not trying to pump anything. You guys know I'm not a cryptocurrency guy, but if I see a deal that I like, I think there's something there, I will let you guys know. You guys make your own decision. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some dude on YouTube making videos in my spare time. But with that being said, let's take a look at the coin. Okay, and this is the coin, Zombieenu, okay, home of the zombie crowd, right? I'm actually going to do a video on this token, so I'll probably release it Sunday, but so make sure you guys check it out. But this is... I live here in Vegas. There's some people I know who are kind of buying this. That's why I'm buying in, kind of like just hearing rumblings of it. I know Nick Carter's involved. He lives out here in Vegas too and all that. But just want to give you guys a quick kind of scroll. If you want to check them out, just go to zombieenu.io. Okay, check out what's going on here. But this is kind of like their white paper, what they're actually going to be doing, NFTs, launch, things like that. Building a brand, right? They're now going to be doing a zombie versus augmented reality. Partnerships with companies, utility, their circuit audit, so they're for the safety side of it, right? The bridge, you could swap, stake your tokens. What's kind of cool is you could stake them for SHIB, Zombie Den, things like this, right? Again, just come to the website. Nick Carter from Backstreet Boys made a video of it, a song based on them, called Scary Monsters and all that. But check them out if you want to. They are actually listed on Coinbase to see the price, but to be able to buy it, you need to buy it on Binance Smart Chain via PancakeSwap or Uniswap via Ethereum. But this is what the price is, right? And this is why I look at it. So they just came out about a month and a half ago where they literally released the coin, right? And look at the run it already had, right? It already ran up like 10,000%. We're pulling back. So I like this pullback. We're at literally 0.00000075, right? But here's the thing, right? A couple $100 can make you a millionaire if this chart in the future does this, SHIB. Okay, let's take a look at SHIB on the 1 year, right? Look at this. Essentially the same exact thing, had the bounce, pull back, and then just kind of died for a while. But when this thing woke up, okay, this is where people became very, very rich in a very quick time. I love the risk reward. Again, I'm not trying to pump it. I am a holder of it. I own about 18 billion of these tokens, but I'll make a video a little more in depth of what they do and things like that. So just check it out. Again, not telling you guys to buy or not, but just kind of making it aware and making people aware of the token. I actually think they're going to do some really good things in the metaverse potentially in the future. So this is kind of getting into something on the ground floor that just launched. But I hope that helps. And as always, be safe out there. And until next time, we'll talk to you guys soon.